do the two-step, cowboy boogie. You know, hit a river dance or something. All right, today I'm checking out Mumford & Sons. I'm listening to the song I Will Wait. Let's get into it. Oh, this looks like a movie.
Like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms. These days of dust, wish we know, will blow away with this new sun. And I'll kneel down.
Yo, this sounds like a song I heard at church one time.
And I will wait for you.
And I think in church they were singing like they're waiting on Jesus, like they'll wait for him.
So break my step and relent. Will you forgive?
Yo, these guys keep teasing me with the music. They'll turn it up for a second and oh, this dancing music. Man, I'm about to dance to that. You know what I'm saying? I've been real into the dancing these days. And then they get back to slow singing and I don't know what they're saying because they're well, you probably can't tell what I'm saying, but they're using a voice like this. Yeah. Hey, bro, what? Are you trying to be grunge or something? I don't know what you're saying. I turn the music up so I can dance.
Even I won't forget what we've seen. Can't win less. Now in some way shake the excess. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you.
I like his voice.
And I will wait for you. Now I'll be bold as well as strong and use my head alongside my heart. So tame my flesh, fix my eyes,
Build up.
a tethered mind, freed from the lies. But I'll kneel down, wait for now. I'll kneel down, know my ground.
I'll fake you out just like they faked me out with this music. Ha! You thought I was gonna dance to this? Nope. You know why? Because they're gonna put on dancing music about 15 to 20 seconds and then they're turning it off. And then that's exactly what they're gonna do. So just like they faked me out with the dance music, I had to give you guys a fake dance. Like, oh, I'm gonna dance. No, I'm not.
Raise my hands, paint my spirit gold. Bow my head.
Okay. See, okay, I got a lot to say about this one, cause there's a lot going on. Actually, I like the chorus. I will wait for you. I'm gonna sing that to Lex. Next time we're watching a movie or something, Netflix, chilling, whatever, and she gotta go to the restroom. I will wait for you. You know what I mean? I could definitely use that, you know. It's probably a little annoying. I won't do it too much. You know? You gotta do it to just the right amount. But the music, man, I like the part when they, like, after it goes slow and then they go crazy. It makes you want to, like, you know, go and do the two-step cowboy, but, you know, hit a river dance or something. Some kind of heavily leggy dance. Like, it makes you want to hit a jig, you know what I'm saying? Dance with your legs, just, it's all upbeat and stuff. They would only give me, like, the really high impact, 5 seconds. The slightly upbeat, like, it was definitely upbeat, but not as upbeat and high impact as the first part when they changed the beat. 30 seconds, you know what I'm saying? Then they go back to the slows and they start building it up. And then they do the build up, 1 minute. 1 minute of build up. I'm like, a long time to build it up. It's a long time to build it up, man. And then they deliver on the build up, but they take you right back to the slow. So this is a roller coaster, man. This was a roller coaster for me. Now that I know what to expect, it's different. But first time listener, it's like, I don't know what to expect. I'm like, oh, it's a upbeat dancing song. Let's get to it. Oh no, it's a slow song. Oh no, it's both. You know what I'm saying? But now I know what to expect. I like their vocal. I don't know who was singing. It's like they all were singing. Some kind of quartet. How many people were in there? A trio? I don't know. It's more than 2 people. But I like the vocals in the I will wait part. During the song, so I had no clue. It's like they were influenced by grunge. They were, I didn't know what they were talking about. I didn't know what they were singing. Need a lyric video or something. During the chorus, you could hear them clearly. I will wait for you. In a nice, good style. That's a style I heard in church many, many times. It's good. Maybe they played that. Maybe they played this song in church and adapted it, or did a cover, like, you know, cover and you change the lyrics a little bit. Cause I'm telling you, growing up, I was in a church and they were talking about playing guitar and I will wait for you, and they were talking about Jesus, bro. They were talking about waiting on Jesus. I'm telling you, this is a church song, or at least the church adapted it. I think this is a love song, and I think the church took it and did a rendition of it. You know what I'm saying? Because it just sounds similar, definitely. You know, those newer, modern, kind of non-denominational churches, they play music like this. And you go to the old school, like Catholic or Lutheran church, they got different. If they did this, they'd be like, I will wait for you. You know, they're singing monotone and stuff like that. But yeah, it sounds kind of familiar.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't know.